Hello everyone, let us study ecosystem restoration. What is ecosystem restoration? It is the process of assisting the recovery of an ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged or destroyed. The term was coined by John Arbour and William Jordan. What are the causes of environmental degradation? These are some of the main causes: climate change and changes in sea level, air pollution, unsustainable fishing, the impact of shipping, eutrophication in the water bodies, deforestation and urbanization. These are some of the natural and anthropogenic disturbances. What is the purpose of ecosystem restoration? There are three main purposes: reversing loss of ecosystem due to climate change and degradation, to check decline in biodiversity, to improve human living conditions. We must have restoration plan. We must develop goals, have a proper monitoring system, implement the restoration program and evaluate it periodically, and finally communicate and educate people. What are the methods we can adopt for restoration? Replanting of wetlands, creek beds, forest lands and other habitats. Plant native species and eradicate invasive species. Must monitor pond and lake habitats and prepare reports on finding and submitting it to authorities. Now, why plant native species? Because native species love their region. They will help pollinators in pollination mechanism. Native plants will conserve more water and limit water runoff. They are also drought champions. Now, here is an example of Mohammad Dilwar from Nasik. He and his group has created 25 city forests with largely native plants. According to 2017 Down to Earth magazine, 77 of 387 Indian plants listed under IUCN are critically endangered and 6 are extinct. These alarming figures reflect the reality of every region of India. Mumbai itself has 75% non-native species. Now there is a movement going on to bring back the native species. Why eradicate invasive species? Because they are harmful to natural resources. They disrupt natural communities and ecological processes. They outcompete the native species. Some of the examples of invasive species are Gulmohar, Peltophorum, Samania saman. Now here is an example of a man who has made a lush green forest from the barren land in Assam in the Kokilamuk place. He was awarded Padma Shri by Government of India in 2015. Tools and methods for restoration. We must improve the fertility of soil by adding asymbiotic and symbiotic bacteria to the soil. We must use mycorrhiza for reforestation programs, organize revegetation programs. Here you can see a land before restoration, during and after restoration. Hiroshima and Nagasaki are the best examples of restoration. What are the steps we must take for ecosystem restoration? We need to educate students and everyone about the environmental issues. We must have proper disposal of waste, shift to non-conventional energy resources, tree plantations, reduce and reuse, restriction on exploitation of forest resources, and finally population control. So let the nature restore and we all live happily. Thank you.